all doing today? I hope you are all are good, very well. So, in this class, this is the first day, the first class. I just want to introduce a lot of things over here. So, let's start with the very basic and the most known topic, that is your myself. Okay, so how to introduce yourself? This is very much important, as you all know, and you all have demanded for this video. So, always remember one thing: every expert was not once a beginner that start speaking English. So, start speaking English with the confident today. Okay. So, I just want to explain you by the end of this class, what you will be able to learn in this class by this video. So, understand how to greet peoples in the formal and informal way. So, I'm going to describe with the two ways, the formal and the informal way, how to describe ourselves and the greeting. Learn to introduce yourself confidently and naturally. So, in the end, when you will see this video very well without any skip, so you will come the confident in yourself and you will come to know how to introduce yourself if you are going to introduce in a formal way or in an informal way. About some, like I will explain you some that common mistakes we used to do when while doing our introduction part, so don't do that. So we will discuss step by step everything. So let's start. The first one is the formal introductions and the informal introductions. So if we will talk about the formal introductions, so you also know, like formal introductions are used in schools, with the students, with teachers, and as well as we use this with principals. This is called the formal introduction. In the formal introduction, as you can see here, there are a lot of types of formal introductions are there. I am going to describe you today the two types. The first one is the professional. So in the starting, when you are introducing yourself or you are greeting someone, over here there is one question, introducing yourself or greeting, both are same. It might be comes in your mind. Okay, so both are not same. The first question, why? I'm going to tell you the difference also. In the greeting, what actually happen is, in the greeting is we say hello to someone. It's a very first step. Or for example, good morning, good evening, or everyone, or hello everyone. This is the greeting style. Okay, so let's begin with the greeting. If we are doing this greeting to the professional way, how we have to start? So the first is good evening. I hope you are doing well. It's a pleasure to meet you. How has your day been so far? If we will discuss about the greetings while the telephonic conversations, so it might be like, may I speak to Anu, please? Hello Anu, how are you today? I just call you to ask about tomorrow's plan. Okay, so there is a difference if you are connecting to someone in telephonic or if you are connecting to someone personally, one on one. So there is a difference to speak. Okay, so the next is informal greeting. If let's come in the informal greeting, so informal greeting means basically it is used in the casual and the fun way. If someone is very close to us, like our relatives, friends, close friends, so we can use and we convey from them in an informal way. So the informal greeting is like, hey, what's up, how it's going, what's new, nice to see you. So this is a very funny way you can say, and this is a casual style. Now the next is, right now till now I have explained you how to greet someone in a professional way and as well as in a casual way. Okay, Now I am going to introduce yourself, how you will explain like about yourself. If someone will tell you like explain yourself or tell me about yourself, so this questions comes. So you have to follow only four things, which is very very important. So the first is your name, the full name you have to mention always. Then your location, or currently where you are. Then the occupation, or we can say the role, and what you like to do, and what is your hobby, we can say, or what you love to do in your free times. So this is the four most things that you have to notice it out while speaking your introducing yourself. For an example, I am writing over here one example for you all. You can just check out this. Always remember one thing, when you are just introducing yourself, means जब आप अपने बारे में बता रहे हो, you have to notice one thing that is very very important line. Like in the first, what you have to notice, आपको क्या बोलना है? Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Pragati. I am from Delhi. I am currently studying in class 8. I am a hardworking and sincere student. My favorite subject is English. And in my free time, I love reading books. So it's very easy. Okay. हमेशा आपको एक चीज़ ध्यान रखना है, while when you are just explaining about yourself, you have to thank to that next person. आपको उनको पहले थैंक्स करना है फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विथ योर नेम. As I have shown you over here, that what you have to notice: your name, your location, your occupation, and your hobbies. If you are a student, so this is for you. You have to tell your name first, then your location, then in which class or in which grade you are, and this line, I am a hardworking and sincere student. So this is the optional lines, means if you want, you can add it. The subjects, which is your favorite, and what is your hobby. That's it. Thank you. This will be the ending of this. The next is, as you all know, like introductions are of different types. Okay. जब हम स्कूल जाते हैं, वहाँ के इंट्रोडक्शंस हमारे अलग होते हैं विद आवर फ्रेंड्स. ओके. अगर हम कहीं इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं फॉर द जॉब पर्पस, या फिर हम जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं, है ना, या फिर हम कोई प्रोफेशनल वे में किसी से मीटअप कर रहे हैं, सो दैट इंटरव्यू और दैट इंट्रोडक्शन इज वेरी डिफरेंट. कैसे होता है वो डिफरेंट? आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू ओवर हेयर. So basically, there are the 3 steps when you are introducing yourself, like for an example, in the interview. So first you have to greet them. Then the next is your name. Then the third one is your educational background, which is very much important. Then what company wants to know from you, your experience, what are the skills you have, and how you can do, means why you are fitting over here in this job. And the last one is justify, means why you want to apply in this field or in this profile, why will hire you, like this. Okay. So there is some example. So the example is like, good evening and thank you for this opportunity. Means you are like someone is taking your interview, and the interviewers are, you will deliver to them like this: good evening and thank you for this opportunity. My name is Rahul and I am pursuing my BTech from BB College. I am skilled in computer applications and have good knowledge of Java. Last summer I have done the intern in YY company as a front end intern. And I really enjoyed my experience there. As your company is also hiring for the same skills or for the same profile, I believe I am the right fit for this role. Thank you. So you can see over here how smoothly you can deliver this. So what are the 3 steps you have to follow? The first one is, the first one is greet them. Whatever the timings, according to the timings, you have to greet them. Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening. Then your name, then the educational background, your experience, your skills. If you want, you can tell them your achievements. And the last is justify how you feel for this. So that's it. And the last part is common mistakes to avoid. See, lots of students what used to do, like we use like myself in different and wrong ways. So like I have written over here for you, like myself Rahul. No, this is wrong. The correct is I am Rahul. So the next is, for an example, the wrong part is over here. This is the wrong part. Permit me to introduce myself. I am Rahul. No. So the correct is, hi, I am Rahul. This is the right way. So I hope you all have understood what is the concept of today. I have given you the introduction part. So how to introduce yourself, this is the first day and the first part I have given you. कैसे आपको अपने आप को introduce करना है. If you are if you are facing for something, interviews वगैरह दे रहे हो, उसके लिए कैसे करना है. और if you are a student, तो उसके लिए कैसे आपको यहाँ पे अपनी इंट्रोड्यूस करनी है सेल्फ. देर इज वन मोर थिंग जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया, दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ग्रीडिंग एंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन इज लाइक माई सेल्फ. सो देर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन ग्रीडिंग एंड माई सेल्फ. ठीक है. इन ग्रीडिंग हम क्या करते हैं, हाय, हेलो, हाउ आर यू, द कैजुअल टाइप, इस टाइप से हम बातें करते हैं, है ना, या गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून, लाइक दिस. But in the introduction, we involve everything. ठीक है. हम उनको प्रॉपरली अपना नाम बताते हैं, अपनी लोकेशन बताते हैं, उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं या हम नाउअडेज क्या कर रहे हैं, हमारी बैकग्राउंड क्या है, ठीक है, एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड्स क्या है, हम कहाँ से हैं, कहाँ रहते हैं, हर एक चीज़ हम बताते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन में. So thank you for today's class. Bye. Take care.